If you're feeling overwhelmed by your financial situation and you're not sure what to do next, you're not alone. Many people struggle because they don't fully understand their options when it comes to credit, debt, or mortgage challenges. And without clear guidance, it's easy to feel stuck or make decisions that don't help long term. At Debt University, your education can provide you with confidence, guidance, and understanding. You can speak with us to get a better understanding of your situation and explore possible strategies based on your goals. This is not about quick fixes or pressure. It's about helping you make informed decisions. During your learning, you'll have the opportunity to ask questions, gain insight, and better understand the next steps you can take. Our goal is to help you feel more confident and in control of your financial direction. Okay, are you ready to gain clarity and move forward with confidence? You can do it, and you don't need permission.